Hey, what's up everybody? It is Uncle Mad. Today we are doing some Disney dining at home. Been a while since I did one of these videos. I'll put links below to the previous videos I've done kind of cooking Disney items at home. So recently, I don't know when this is going to air, so it might not be that recently by the time I put this video on the channel, but recently I went to Epcot for Flower and Garden Festival, and there was one item in particular that, you know, Jesta, not a Disney person, but the food, the drinks, she's a drinker, unlike me. Those always catch her eye. There was one in particular on my recent trip to Epcot that really caught her eye, where she's like, you need to make this, serve it to me on a platter, bring it to me like I'm the princess and the queen of Sheba. And it was the Lox Benedict from Brunchcot, the Brunchcot booth. It's all brunch items at Flower and Garden Festival. So today, that's what we're gonna make. We're doing one thing a little differently. Let me actually tell you what's the description for. I couldn't really find a copycat recipe, but everything's pretty easy, straightforward, simple items that you kind of know how to cook anyway. All right, Lox Benedict on everything focaccia with everything spiced cream cheese, shallots, crispy capers, and hollandaise. So I'm doing bagels instead of focaccia, and I'm skipping the shallots. What? Focaccia? I don't know what it is. Who knows? But we've got bagels, got lox, cream cheese, everything spice, hollandaise, eggs, capers, and I've got these little silicone cups. What just came out of that? To poach the eggs in. Focaccia, potato. All right, I think the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our cream cheese, everything spice spread. Just to get that out of the way, to have it ready to go on the bagels. I'm just gonna put a bunch in there. I don't know how much I should, but we're gonna just go all out. All right, there we go. It's in there. Now I'm just gonna stir. And we're gonna have everything on that, everything everywhere, throw everything on the top at the very end. We'll just everything it up. There we go. Everything cream cheese spread. So as I was preparing to make this dish, I looked up like different ideas, different ways to make crispy capers. You know, obviously pan fry, different ones like that. One that intrigued me was using the air fryer. So I got some capers, toss them in a little bit of oil. We're gonna do this. We'll go up to 400 for, let's say, 7 minutes. Alright, so the bagels are toasted, cream cheese is made, capers are about done, toast another bagel, water's boiling, about ready to start poaching and making the sauce of hollandaise variety. I said that in the weirdest way possible. Alright, here is the finished product. Broke a couple yolks, so did not quite execute properly on the poached eggs, but it'll still taste good. I'll do a little like a side-by-side. I'll take a picture of this and put it side-by-side with the Disney version. I'm sure the Disney version is going to look better, but just for comparison's sake. Alright, nothing left to do but the taste test. Jessica's already dug in. She has reported back that she is enjoying it. So mission accomplished, because this was mostly a dish for her, but ooh. The one where I didn't break the yolk, it just exploded. Eggs are gooey and perfect. Bon appetit. That's pretty good.
Top 5 best things you ever made.
Wow. Top 5 best things ever made. That's crazy. I like the bagel better than the focaccia bread. Focaccia. I liked it better. I think it has a little fuller taste to it, but you know, Epcot, the festivals, it's more about kind of snacking because they want you to buy multiple $10 snacks as you walk around and everything. So I like this. Probably execute a little bit, obviously executed better at Disney, but turned out pretty good. Now, last thing, Jesta was gonna double fist mimosas, and I said, you cannot do that. It's 12:30, so it's not that late, early. So I said, for the sake of protecting you, I will take one of your 2 mimosas off your hands and prevent you from just downing mimosas. And it's brunch, so I mean, you know, this is a common drink that goes with brunch, so cheers. It's pretty good. I can see why drinkers drink these. All right, so that was pretty good. Jesta said top 5 things I've ever cooked, so that should tell you, you know, I mean, it depends if you think I'm a good cook or not, if top 5 for it even matters, but it was good. I don't know if it's been a while since, it's been like 2-3 weeks since the Epcot trip, so I don't really fully remember how it would compare to this, but I mean, as far as just like kind of a easy Sunday brunch, I mean, that was as good as you can get. I mean, really easy to prepare. I haven't quite mastered poaching eggs yet. This was better than the last time I tried it. Still need to tweak a few things and improve on some things there, but otherwise pretty good, easy to do. With a recipe like this, it's all about the timing and everything, because everything's kind of cooking separately, and then you bring it all together. So kind of timing everything to kind of finish at about the same time is mostly the challenge in that. But good breakfast, brunch, whatever you want to call it. A little bit of taste of Disney at home. I wish I was going back to Disney sooner. I don't know when I'm actually going back. I know for sure marathon weekend I'll be back. I don't know if I'm gonna have any more summer trips. Like to go in the fall. Obviously get down there, do Halloween Horror Nights at Universal, pop over to Disney a little bit, but my fall schedule is kind of crazy right now, so we'll see. I'll get back there as soon as I can, but maybe we'll do more of these. What is this? Disney dishes at home. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one.